In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up continuous drainage on Meaco Arete. So, all Meaco Arete 1 and 2 dehumidifiers support continuous drainage, which will allow water to drain throughout the hose instead of collecting it into the water tank. A hose may not be included, but the dehumidifier comes with the right angle adapter that fits normally at 12.5 millimeter, which is half inch, internal diameter garden hose, or basically the hose must run downhill because the drainage works by gravity. So, first of all, you would like to go and turn off the dehumidifier. Then pull the water tank completely out of the unit. Inside the tank lid, you will find the right angle drainage adapter. So for the Meaco Arete, you will basically have to remove the water tank and you'll have to install the drainage adapter. Remove the right angle adapter from the water tank lid and push it firmly into the drain spot inside the dehumidifier. The drain spot is located on the left-hand side where water normally drips into the tank. You can attach your 12.5 millimeter or half inch internal diameter garden hose to basically the adapter and make sure the connection is secure to prevent any future leaks. Once you secure that, you can slide the water tank back into the dehumidifier until it clicks fully into place. Tank must remain installed even when using continuous drainage. So once you do that, we would like basically now to position the hose correctly. Route the hose to a floor drain, a sink, a shower drain, or another suitable drain. The hose must run continuously downhill, have no kinks or sharp bends, and never sit in standing water. If you need to pump water uphill, you will need a Meaco optional continuous drainage pump since the standard system relies only in gravity or on gravity. So that's how you basically set up your continuous drainage or drainage on Meaco Arete. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.